Google, Gemini 3.7, Flash is game changing. And I mean that. This new model doesn't just answer you, it plans, it acts, and it finishes real work on its own. Today, I'm showing you exactly what it can do, how you can use it, and why this matters for anyone trying to grow a business with AI. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Julian reads every comment, so drop one below and he'll see it. On August 13th, 2026, Google released Gemini 3.7 Flash. Google calls it their most capable workhorse model yet for coding and for agents. An agent is just an AI that does more than talk. It plans steps, picks tools, checks its own work, and finishes the job without you holding its hand the whole way. Here's the part that stands out. This came just 23 days after the last Flash model. Google is not slowing down, they are shipping fast, and each release leans harder into AI that actually gets things done. Let's get into what changed. The first big jump is coding. Gemini 3.7 Flash scores 65.3% on a coding test called Deep SWE. The last model scored 49%. That's a huge jump in just 3 weeks. On another coding test called Frontier Code, it went from 34.4% to 43.6%. These tests don't just check if the code runs, they check if it's clean, follows the rules of the project, and passes bug checks before anyone even looks at it. Think about what that means in plain terms. It's like hiring someone who used to hand in messy homework and now hands in work that's already double checked. Fewer mistakes, fewer redos. Google says the model beat comparable models from OpenAI and Anthropic across 9 benchmarks. I want to be fair here and say those numbers come from Google's own testing, so take that with a little bit of healthy doubt. But even with that in mind, the jump from the last model is real and it's fast. The second big change is web design. Gemini 3.7 Flash got better at turning a design into a real working page. You can hand it a rough sketch or a screenshot and it builds the actual site. Google's own score for this, called Web Dev Arena, jumped from 1538 to 1588 in just 1 month. Here's a real way you could use this. Say you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You could tell the model, design a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that shows people how AI automation saves them time and helps them get more customers. Make it simple and easy to read. That one prompt could turn into a real page built in minutes instead of hours. I have to be honest with you here too. Gemini 3.7 Flash is not the cheapest model out there. GPT 5.6 Luna is cheaper. DeepSeek V4-Flash is even cheaper than that. But Gemini 3.7 Flash does beat Claude Haiku 4.5 on price, and it comes with strong coding and agent skills built in. So it's not about being the cheapest, it's about being one of the best deals for what you get. Now here's where this gets really interesting for anyone running a business day to day. Gemini 3.7 Flash is now powering something called Gemini Spark. Spark is a personal AI agent that works around the clock. It's available to people who pay for Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. Spark connects to your Gmail, your calendar, and your docs all at once. Instead of asking it one small question, you give it a real goal and it goes and handles it. Let's make this real. Say you run a community like the AI Profit Boardroom and your day is full of member questions, coaching call reminders, and content deadlines. You could ask Spark to look through your inbox, find anything that needs a reply, check it against your calendar, and put it all into one simple list. Google says Spark got better at working across these apps with this new model update. But here's something worth remembering. AI like this is fast, but it's not perfect. It can still miss things. So if you're using it to run parts of a business, a community, or client work, always check the important stuff before it goes out. Treat it like a very fast assistant, not something that replaces your own eyes. Now, let me ask you something. If an AI agent can already read your messages, check your schedule, and draft your replies, what does your day actually look like 6 months from now? I'm not saying it replaces you. I'm saying the work is shifting, and it's shifting fast. If you want to see exactly how to set up an AI agent like this for your own business and how to use it to save real time every day, that's exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We just built a full walkthrough on setting up Gemini Spark to handle your inbox and calendar the way I just described. This month's coaching calls are going deep on using Gemini 3.7 Flash for building pages and running agent workflows, so you can bring your setup and get help live. If you want the setup guide, links in the comments and description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Let's keep going because there's more here. Gemini 3.7 Flash also comes with stronger safety guardrails. Google added extra protection to stop the model from being misused for things like dangerous chemical or biological information or for cyber attacks. That might sound like a small detail, but it tells you something. As these models get more capable of taking real action on their own, the risk of misuse goes up too. So the safety work has to scale right along with it. Here's who can use this right now. Developers can access it through the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, Google Anti-Gravity, and Android Studio. Businesses can use it through the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform and the Gemini Enterprise app. Regular users get it through Gemini Spark if they're on Google AI Pro or Ultra. Now let's zoom out because I think this is the real story here. Old AI worked like this. You ask a question, it gives an answer, that's it. New AI works completely differently. You give it a goal, it builds a plan, it uses tools to get there, it checks its own work, and it finishes the task. That shift matters for anyone trying to grow a business right now. The people who learn to use agents like this for their daily work, their content, their outreach, their websites, they're going to move faster than the people still doing every single step by hand. And here's something else worth thinking about. Google didn't train this model completely from scratch. They took the last one and improved it using developer feedback and better methods. That's a smart move. It means faster releases and it means the model keeps getting sharper without Google needing months and months between updates. That's also probably why we got a new model just 23 days after the last one. Some analysts think Google is moving this fast because they're racing to catch up. Their bigger model, Gemini 3.5 Pro, was promised for earlier this year and it still hasn't shipped. So while the big model is delayed, Google keeps pushing out flash updates to stay in the fight. Whatever the reason, the result is the same for us. Faster AI, cheaper AI, and AI that can actually finish tasks on its own. Let's talk about what this means for you, depending on where you're at. If you're just starting to explore AI tools for your business, start small. Pick one task you do every week, like organizing emails or drafting a page, and test it with a tool like Spark or Gemini 3.7 Flash. If you already use AI tools, this is the moment to push them further. Stop asking single questions, start giving the AI a goal and letting it handle the steps. If you run a team, this is worth a real conversation. What tasks on your team could an agent like this take off someone's plate? Not to replace people, but to free up time for the work that actually needs a human. And if you're building a business or a community, like a lot of the people I talk to, the businesses that learn this stuff early are the ones that stay ahead. The tools are moving fast. The advantage goes to the people willing to actually test them. Before we wrap up, let's bring this back one more time. Gemini 3.7. Flash isn't just a small update. It's Google shipping smarter, cheaper, more capable AI every few weeks, and each one leans harder into agents that finish real work. That pace is not slowing down. If you want to actually use tools like this the right way and not just watch from the sidelines, that's exactly what we built the AI Profit Boardroom for. This is a digital AI avatar, so I want to be upfront about that. Everything I just walked you through is based on real research from Google's own announcement. Inside the iProfit Boardroom, we're already building out playbooks for Gemini Spark and Gemini 3.7 Flash, showing you step by step how to set up agents that handle your emails, your content, and your daily tasks. We run 4 coaching calls every week where you can bring your own setup and get real feedback. And there's a full community of business owners already testing these exact tools on real work. So you're never trying to figure this out alone. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like the ones I just showed you, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of 75,000 people who are already using AI to move faster in their own work. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment and tell me which part of Gemini 3.7 Flash surprised you the most. Julian reads every single comment, so let him know. See you in the next one.